Hi, I'm Lori Taylor Davis from Smashbox, and I'm going to walk you through the steps to create this gorgeous glow using the Smashbox and Vlada Petal Metal collection. So I'm going to start with our Petal Metal Primer. This primer is so super duper special because it has that gorgeous radiance that really helps to add shimmer and shine to every complexion. It's packed with hyaluronic, so it's so hydrating. And I'm going to start by applying it to the center of the face. It really warms up the complexion and gives it just that right amount of shimmer and radiance. And who doesn't want to be radiant, right? I love radiance. It's everything. Keep in mind, it's also going to help your foundation to last longer.
Feels beautiful on.
Doesn't it? Just enough hydration. Step 2, Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Foundation is going to even out the complexion. I love a look like this because you can't see where the skin stops and the foundation starts. So one of the products that I'm most excited about are the Gold Glitz Shimmer Drops. These are perfect because you can add them into foundation, you can wear them on top of foundation, they can go on the lips. Just one tiny little drop, either on the back of your hand, you can load it up with a brush, or you can apply them directly to the cheeks and smooth it in with your finger. Look at that gorgeous hydration and gorgeous radiance. They can go cheek, center of the nose, a little bit on the lip for that sexy pout. All right, to really turn those cheeks on and to give that radiance even more shimmer and shine, we're gonna use our Prismatic Pearl highlighter. There are 3 highlighters in this collection. I gotta say the Prismatic Pearl, that's the one that's closest to my heart. What do you think?
Oh, stunning.
I always feel it's best to apply this with a fan brush, then just right on those cheeks. Build, build, build. Look at that gorgeous color. It has this really fantastic pink undertone. Oh my goodness. Everything. I like to add a little bit to the brow bone as well, so it really kind of ties all that shimmer in. Your cheeks are on fleek right now. I love it. To give balance to this gorgeous radiant complexion and high wattage cheek, we're gonna do a little wash of color on the eyes. The thing about applying a lot of shimmer, you just wanna make sure that everything kind of has just the right amount, but don't go overboard. I'm going to use one of the softer tones. I'm gonna tap it off and just apply, starting at the lash line and sweeping up and going across the lid. Just a soft wash of color, taking it all the way to the natural crease. Now that we have a soft wash on the eyes to match our complexion and our cheek, I'm gonna finish up the eye area with a little bit of mascara and a brow. Starting with a coat of lash primer and Smashbox's Super Fan Mascara for perfect fanned out lashes. The thing I always love about a lash primer, it really helps to just bump up any mascara that you put on top of it. It almost gives you the illusion of having falsies. One of my #1 golden rules is mascara goes top and bottom. Now, you need a frame for this gorgeous eye, and brows are the frame for any eye look. I'm going to use our Brow Tech to Go in taupe to just softly fill and frame the brows. Brows should always be fluffy and soft and never overly done. You know, we have to complete the look. Are you ready for lips?
I am ready.
All right, I think I'm gonna do a double layer. The Vlada collection comes with an always-on matte lip plus a liquid metal. We're gonna combine them to give you your perfect Vlada Rose Gold lip. So we're gonna use Desert Rose and XO Vlada to give you the perfect metallic lip that'll help to balance this look out. No lip liner needed because the applicator has a perfect precision tip, which makes it easy to apply. And then to give a little bit more pout, we're gonna layer on the XO Vlada Petal Metal right in the center. We're gonna top everything off with our Petal Metal Shimmer Spray because it adds the right amount of radiance for the body. I'm gonna spray it directly into my brush and then just apply it on the collarbones, center of the neck. So there you have it, Petal Metal perfection. Get down to Mecca and get yours. You look fantastic.
You look fantastic.